I'm Jesse with Quality Buildings. Today, we're going to show you how to adjust the threshold plate on your 3-foot walk-through door. Your adjustable threshold plate should have either 4 exposed screws or 4 screws that are hidden by these caps. What you will want to do is either take a flathead screwdriver or a putty knife and remove the caps if they are there. If they are exposed, you would not need to do that. Or you can just use your thumbnail. After removing the 4 caps from your adjustable threshold screws, take your flathead screwdriver and you will turn the screws right to raise the threshold and left to lower the threshold. It is important to adjust each screw the same amount of turns. That way your threshold will stay evenly all the way across. Raise or lower it to your desired height. Open and close the door to test to check for tightness. After testing the door, if further adjustment is needed, do so. If not, go ahead and replace your screw caps. And that should be it.